Good morning, students. Welcome back in this class. Today we will discuss about the some numerical problem which is based on the terminating and non-terminating decimal. Under the previous session, we have completed the concept of the rational number and terminating and non-terminating decimal. So now let us start. First of all, we will discuss about the terminating decimal. As you know that rational number in which the division process does not end, that is called the non-terminating decimal. On the other way, if the division process terminates and the finite decimal, they are called to the terminating decimal. So on the other way, terminating decimal refers to the if the factors of denominator of the 2 or 5 or both of them, they are called to the terminating decimal. On the other way, if the in the rational number the prime factors of the denominator only 2 or 5 number are exist, they are said to be the terminating. On the other way, if the prime factors of the denominator other than 2 or 5 number, they are said to be the non-terminating decimal. So now the first question of the exercise 11.2, express the following. First question, exercise 11.2. Question number 1 on the page number 154. Page number 154. So the first question is here, express the following as rational number. Express the following. Express the following. Express the following as rational number. Rational number. So the first question is here 0.6 second is 0.32 and 0.32. And the next question is here, question number 6, 421.796. Question number 6, 421.796. 421.796. So the first question of the exercise 11.2, express the following as a rational number. So here is the 0.6. The first question is 0.6. So here the 0.6 is after the decimal point. After the decimal point, one digit. After the decimal point, one digit means 0.6 has one digit after the decimal point. After the decimal point. So here is the 0.6 one digit means 6 means one digit after the decimal point. So multiply divided by, so divided by 12. divided by 10. Then 0.6 equal to 6 by 10. So that is the rational number. So express the following rational number as a rational number. So here is the decimal number, that is the 0.6. So 0.6 after the decimal point only one digit is here. Then divided 0.6 divided by 10. Now the next second is 0.32. After the decimal point there is the 2 digit, that is the 2 digit, so divided by the 100. So divided by 100. So here is 0.32 equal to 32 by 100. Then we can write here of 825. Then 80 by 25. Now the third question is here 421.796. 421.796. So here is the after the decimal point it has 3 digit, means it has 3 digit. So this number is divided by 1000. So divided by 1000. So this number is in the form of rational number 421.796 by 1000. So now the next question is here, question number 2. Question number 2, express as the following. Express the following as rational number. Express following as the rational number. So the first question is here 0.4 bar. So here is the in this question 0.4 bar means after the decimal point only one digit is repeated here. After the decimal point only one digit repeated. So now let us then x equal to, let x equal to 0.4 means x equal to 0.444. That is the first equation. So now here is the after the decimal point the one digit is repeated here, means at the 10th place. Then multiply by 10 in both sides. Then multiply by 10 both sides. So here is the after the decimal point only one digit repeated here. Then multiplying by 10 both sides, that is the new equation will become 10x equal to 4.44. That is the second equation. Now the next step is subtracting subtracting 1 from 2. Subtracting 1 from subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So here is the second equation, that is 10x, and the first equation, that is x. Then 10x minus x, then 10x minus x equal to here is the second equation 4.44, that is the first equation 0.44. Then after the decimal point only one digit repeated, and here is the after decimal point only one digit repeated. Then 4 minus 4.44 dot minus 0.44 dot. Then 10x minus x equal to 9x. 10x minus x equal to 9x equal to, after the decimal point the whole number will be cancelled. Then value of 9x equal to 4, then x equal to 4 by 9. So here is the x equal to 4 by 9 and x equal to 4 by 9. So 4 by 9 is in the form of the rational number. So now the next question is here, 0. Now the next question, that is 0.36. Question number third, page number 154. So here is the 0.36 0.361. I express the following as in the form of rational number. So it is clear that after the decimal point 3 digits are repeated here. So first step is there, suppose that x equal to, let the x equal to 0.361. After the decimal point 3 digits are repeated here, then x equal to 0.361 that is the first equation. Now the next, after the decimal point 3 digits are repeated, means 1000 place, and means multiplying by 1000 in both sides, multiplying by 1000 both sides. So here the 1000, that is the 1000 x equal to 0.361 decimal point shift after the 3 digits, then 361 dot that is the second equation. So subtracting from the first equation from 2, subtracting equation 1 from 2, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2. So here is the second equation, that is the 1000 x equal to 361.361 3 digits are repeated in this term. So now the subtracting first equation from the 2, then 1000 x minus x, then 1000 x minus x equal to 361.361 dot minus 0.361. Then 1000 x minus x, that is 999x equal to, after the decimal point these numbers are cancelled and 999x equal to 361. Then the value of x equal to 361 by 999. So 361 by 909, this number is the form of the rational number. So here is the 0.361. First step is here. Suppose that x equal to 0.361. Now the count the digit after the decimal point. So here the after the decimal point, there the 3 digits are repeated. Then multiply by the 1000 both sides. The first equation, that is the new equation, will become 1000x equal to 361.361 bar. Now the next step is here, subtracting equation 1 from the equation 2. Then 1000x minus x equal to 361.361. Their 3 digits are repeated here. So 999x equal to 361. Then x equal to 361 by 999. So this number is the form of the rational number. Now the next question is here. Question number 6. Question number 6 is 0. Question number 6 on the page number 154. 6 on the page number 154. 0.26. So now let us consider the x equal to, let the x equal to 0.26. There after the decimal point only 2 digits are repeated here. Then x equal to 0.2626 dot. That is the first equation. So now after the decimal point 2 digits are repeated. Then multiply by 100 on the both sides. Multiply by 100. Multiply by 100 both sides. So here the 100x equal to that is the 26.2626 dot, that is the second equation. So now the subtracting first equation from the 2. Now the subtracting first equation first from equation 2. So here is the 100x minus x equal to 26.26. After the decimal point these number are cancelled here. Then the value of 26. Then 100x minus x equal to 99x equal to 26. Then x equal to 26 by 99. So this number in the form of the rational number. Then x equal to 26 by 99.